Hello friends, myself Subhash Nagarse from Sri Digambar Jain Gurukul High School, Solapur. I welcome all of you in the session of 10th Standard Science and Technology Part 1st. Today we are going to discuss with the question bank in Science Part 1st. The MCQs that would be asked in question number 1A. We'll see that one. Let us start with MCQs. Friends, for the practice purpose, this question bank is prepared. So, the problems from this question bank may or may not be asked in the SSC board examination. Choose the correct option in the multiple choice answers for the following questions, 1 mark for each. This question bank is prepared from the board. So, we'll continue with that. So, number 1 is a dash dash is necessary to change the speed as well as the direction of the motion of an object. So the answer is force. The orbit of planet revolving around the star is dash dash and the answer is elliptical orbit is there. The square of its period of revolution around the sun is directly proportional to the dash dash of the mean distance of the planet from the sun, and that is cube. The gravitational force between two bodies is directly proportional to the product of the masses of those bodies and is dash dash of the distance between them, that is inversely proportional to the square. The value of universal constant, that is capital G, in the SI unit is 6.673 into 10 to the power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. Number 6. The dash dash force is much weaker than other forces in the nature, and the answer is gravitational. The value of gravitational acceleration, small g, is, you can say, highest at the poles. The rest are not accurate. This one is the right answer. The value of gravitational acceleration, small g, is dash dash at the equator, and that value is 9.78 meter per second square. We are going to select the proper alternative. So out of these 4 alternatives, I will tell only the right one. The free fall of an object is possible only in vacuum. The weight of any object on the moon is nearly dash dash of the weight of the earth. Here 4 options are there. Out of this 1/6, 1/6 is the right. A person weighs 60 Newton on the earth. His weight on the moon will be, we can use this previous question's reference, and the answer will be 10 Newton. 1/6 of 60, that is 10. Dobereiner laid down the dash dash rule. Here 4 are there. Out of this periodic rule, modern periodic, triad and octaves. The triad is the right answer. Next we will see that question number 13. Newton's laws of octaves is applicable up to the element calcium. Among these, calcium is right. X and Y are the 2 elements having similar properties which obey Newton's law of octaves. So the minimum and maximum number of elements in between X and Y respectively are, the answer is 6 and 13. At the time of Mendeleev, dash dash elements were known and 63 elements were known at that time. In Mendeleev's periodic table, Ica silicon was later named as germanium. Modern periodic table, the number of columns and periods are respectively dash dash and dash dash, that is 18 and 7. Dash dash is the outermost cell of elements of period 2, that is L. The group 1 and 2 constitute the dash dash block, and that is S block. Which pair of atomic numbers represents elements in the same group, and that is 11 and 19. Next question number 21, that is, which among the following elements would lose an electron easily, and the answer is sodium. Out of these 4, which among the following is the largest element, and that element is the potassium key. Arrange the following elements in order of their decreasing metallic character, and the elements are sodium, silicon, chlorine, magnesium, and aluminum. These we have to arrange, and the arrangement will be option B, that is sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, and chlorine. It is the decreasing order of this metallic character. Next, which one of the following does not increase while moving down the group of the modern periodic table? And the answer is valency. Next, on moving from left to right in the periodic table, the size of the atom will be decreases. Next, which of the following statements about the modern periodic table is correct? 4 statements are there, and out of this, the right and correct is option C. 18 vertical columns are known as groups. Next question, the D block elements are called as dash dash elements, and the option is transition elements. Next we'll see, the size of an atom is indicated by its dash dash, and that is the radius. Next, dash dash is the distance between the nucleus of an atom and its outermost cell, and that is nothing but the atomic radius. Atomic radius is expressed in the unit, that is picometer. The tendency of an element to form cation is the dash dash character of the element, and that is metallic character. Dash dash is in liquid form in the halogen family, that is bromine. While in going from top to the bottom in the group, the atomic radius is increases. The tendency of an element to form anion is the dash dash character of the element, non-metallic character. The elements from the zero group, also called as a noble gas group, inert gas group, is called as noble gases. Writing a chemical reaction in brief by using chemical formula is called as a chemical equation. 37. When the positive charge on the ion increases or the negative charge on them decreases, it is called as oxidation. The chemical reaction in which two or more products are formed from a single reactant is dash dash reaction, that is the decomposition. In the chemical equation, the dash dash are written on the left side of the chemical equation, that is the reactants. Aqueous solution of zinc sulfate, ZnSO4, is added into the aqueous solution of this barium chloride, that is BaCl2. This is the example of dash dash reaction, double displacement. The unit of electric power is nothing but watt. The live and neutral wires have potential difference of 220 volt. In an electric bulb, coil of dash dash metal is used, that is the tungsten. The electricity bill specifies the usage in terms of unit. The frequency of AC is dash dash hertz, that is 50 hertz. These days, when current in the circuit suddenly increases, dash dash switches are used, that is MCBs, miniature circuit breakers. MCB stands for miniature circuit breaker. A coil of an alloy is dash dash is used in electric heater cooker as a resistor, and that is the nichrome. The right hand thumb rule is also called dash dash rule, and that is Maxwell's corkscrew rule. Dash dash is used for electrical measurement, that is the galvanometer. Which of the following scientists invented the rule electromagnetic induction, and that is Michael Faraday. Next we'll see, which of the following substance contracts on heating, that is the ice. Pressure increases the melting point of the substance, that is decreases. If pressure increases, the melting point of the substance will decreases. The vapor content in the air is measured by absolute humidity. Humid and dry nature of the air depends on all of these, and that is amount of vapor in the air, amount of vapor to make the air saturated, and temperature of the air. Vapors in air condenses to form the fog. When the temperature of water decreases below 4 degrees Celsius, its volume is increases. In a region with cold climate, the aquatic animals can survive at 4 degrees Celsius because of ice floating on the water is insulated. As insulator, it's right. Animals bear of the water, okay. It's also right. The heat from water cannot transfer to the atmosphere. This is also right. So the answer will be all of the above. Next we look, that is from the option given below, the specific heat of dash dash is maximum, that is iron. Ice ball is prepared from the shredded ice. Again, this is the example of regulation. The SI unit of specific heat is calorie per gram degree Celsius. Dash dash apparatus is used to study the anomalous behavior of water, that is the Hope's apparatus. Next, dash dash heat is necessary to raise 1 kg of water from 14.5 degrees Celsius to the 15.5 degrees Celsius, and that is 4180 joule amount of heat. So this is the answer. Friends, I think these all 5 chapters, first 5 chapters start from gravitation to the heat. We have been completed the MCQs, important MCQs. So go through these again and again. Prepare properly. Use reference study material for the additional problems. Thank you for watching this video. We'll meet in the next MCQ video with the remaining topics of this science and technology part first. Till that, bye.